All right, so hi everyone. Welcome back. A very good evening to you all. So, can someone just please confirm if I am audible? So, yes, everything seems good to me. And today we would be discussing about the portfolios and generative AI. And also it is a kind of a Q&A session. So, you can ask your doubt regarding the hackathon in this session. So, let me share my screen and hopefully it is visible now. So, yeah, this one. This template seems good to me. And also, this is a kind of a reminder that today is the last day of registration in Hackathon, ServiceNow Hackathon. So, how you can register? Just simply search geeks4geeks.org, and here in this contact session, just go to this ServiceNow WCTW, Women Code to Win 2025 Hackathon. And today is the last day to registration. So make sure to form your team and the team with the three members and register in this contest. And also, we are having the first contest on 25th January. So I hope everyone is ready for it. So let's just start the discussion that what is portfolios and all. And after this, we'll answer your doubt. Portfolios and all. And after this, we'll answer your doubt. So in hackathon, you will be provided with 10 quizzes which will be based on a ServiceNow platform, which will be based on a ServiceNow, and two DSA questions. And every member of a team has to individually participate in the contest. And the average score, basically the average score will be considered. Every team member can give the contest individually, and the sum of all the three scores and the average will be taken. So I hope the idea is clear to everyone. And also you can go through these ServiceNow certification courses. So here I will be sharing the link of the four modules, and basically here we have three modules and one assessment. So from here, from these link, you can read more about the service now. So this is the first link for module one. Then the second link for module two. This one is the second link for module two. And finally, I am sharing this third link, which will be based on a generative AI. And also today we are covering this generative AI and portfolio. And and the fourth link is for a micro certification. So we have first module, second module, third module, and this fourth link is for a micro certificate. And all the quizzes are from these four modules only. So I hope this thing is clear to everyone. So someone saying that last module का link नहीं आया, first link got twice. Okay, just allow me 1 minute. So this online assessment. Yes, this is the link for the certification. This micro certification. I hope now everyone got the link. So now let's just discuss what are the different portfolios in ServiceNow. So the first portfolio that we have, IT Service Management, ITSM. So ITSM helps organization manage IT services and delivery by automating and streamlining process. It ensures quick resolution of IT issues, better service support, and adherence to service level agreements. So ultimately improving the IT operation. So this is the purpose of ITSM. And those who have not watched the first session of this service now, then make sure to watch the first session. Then only you can relate with this one. Then the second one, IT operation management. So basically, ITOM allows the organization to proactively monitor IT system, map dependencies, and optimize the service availability. Then the third one, strategic portfolio management (SPM). So basically, SPM is used to align the IT projects with the business objectives by optimizing resource allocation, and tracking project process. So basically, it enables organization to make data-driven decisions and prioritize initiatives and ensure effective use of financial and human resources. So strategic portfolio management. Then human resource. So the HR portfolio enhance the employee experience by automating the routine HR tasks like onboarding and benefit management. So basically, this is the area we focus automating and streamlining HR process. Then the fifth one, customer service management, another portfolio. So customer service management (CSM) enhance customer satisfaction by managing customer inquiries and providing timely resolution. And then we have a security operations portfolio. So basically, it helps organization detect, analyze, and respond to security threats effectively. It automates management, prioritize risk, and some other features. So basically, if I summarize this, then ServiceNow portfolio caters to specific organizational need, offering specialized tools and modules to optimize operations. So whether it is a IT service delivery, ITSM, or ITOM, infrastructure management, or strategic project alignment. Now the next thing, uh, now the next topic here for the today's session is AI, Vision AI. So from where you can learn about the Vision AI, let I have also shared the link of the module. Basically, from the third module, you can learn about the generative AI. And here also in this session, I'm going to explain this third module and will give you the brief overview that what is AI and what is generative AI and how ServiceNow can help in generative AI. And then after I will take your questions. So, okay, just allow me 1 minute. So basically, this is the third module of the course, and here it has a 6 lesson, and I'm going to give you the brief overview of all the 6 lesson one by one. So here the first lesson where we would discuss the that what is a generative AI, who can use a generative AI, then benefits, limitations, and risk. Then how ServiceNow uses generative AI capabilities. Okay, someone asking that this is a recorded session. Actually, it is not. So yeah, let's just go through the lessons one by one. So before starting the generative AI, let's just first understand the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence refers to technology that attempt to mimic human intelligence. So it includes field like machine learning and deep learning. And then what is machine learning? So basically, machine learning is a branch of AI that uses data and algorithms to create models. And these models predict the outcome by identifying the relation within the data. And this is what here we have mentioned. Then what is deep learning? So deep learning is nothing but it is a subset of machine learning that uses neural network with the connected layer to simulate human brain process, right? And what is generative AI? So generative AI is type of artificial intelligence that creates realistic content such as text, images, audio, and more. So it transform industry like entertainment, healthcare, marketing with its ability to generate a creative and human-like output. This is the purpose of a generative AI. And what generative AI can do? So it generate a language, then generate visuals, and it is also capable of generating audio. So generate language, that is generate text. So you can create a content like essay, notes, code, and courses. Then it also helps you to generate the visual. That is, you can produce images, videos, 3D models, and graphs and all. Then it also helps you to generate audio. That is, you can compose the music and generate the speech. And how does the generative AI works? This is really important. So this is a kind of a very brief summary that it uses algorithm to analyze existing data and generate new similar data, similar type of image or audio or text. So this was about the first lesson. Then we have the second lesson that who uses generative AI. So industry and peoples. So generative AI can be used in many fields and in many industries. So automotive industry. So it can help to design a better component for the improved performance and fuel efficiency. So you can create some new component with some more efficiency and more reliable, and with the help of some past data and experience. Then it can also be used for consumer marketing. So it can help to analyze the customer behavior to deliver the personalized recommendation. So for example, suggesting product based on a shopping history of a customer. Then it can also be used in a finance sector. So enhance the risk management and the fraud detection. For example, identifying unusual transaction to prevent the fraud with the help of a generative AI. Then we can also use this in energy sector. So it can help in reducing the energy cost without affecting the production quality. So optimize the grid management and energy forecasting by providing some prediction based on the past data. Then manufacturing sector. So generative AI can reduce cost and energy demands without hurting product quality or output. So to see how it can benefit people, select the start button and below. Basically, in this section, you can go through this. that how it can help the people. So I've already shared the link of the module. You can go through it. Now let's just go benefit, limitations, and risk. So let's talk briefly about the benefit, limitation, and risk of a generative AI. Generative AI. So a technology that's changing how we work and live. So basically, generative AI has lot to offer. So let's just discuss few of them. So increased opportunity in cost and productivity. So basically, generative AI it automate tasks, saving time and cutting cost. For example, it can create a design or handle maintenance task, letting expert to focus on more important work. With the help of a generative AI, you can design or maintain tasks. Then better customer support. So basically, with the help of a generative AI, we can create some chatbot. So AI chatbot can answer the questions and help the customer 24 into 7. So making them happier and reducing the workload on human agent. So this is another area we can use generative AI to improve the customer feedback. Then targeted marketing. So we can also use this for a personalized marketing. So it helps create ad product suggestion based on what customer like and leading to more sales and better engagement. So then higher profit, so enhanced revenue. So by improving efficiency and the customer insight, generative AI can help business to make more money. Then improved live, enriched lived. So beyond business, generative AI can also solve the real world problems like healthcare, educational, and accessibility. Then we have some limitation and risk. So let's just go through one by one. What are the limitations and what are the risks we have? So the generative AI needs a regular update, and the generative AI must be adjusted frequently to stay accurate and relevant, right? And there might be the case you might have heard that for some cases it is biased. So biasing in data. So it can sometimes reflect biases from the data it learn uh, from which could lead to unfair or harmful result. So it's moreover like whatever you give, and based on that data, it can produce the result for the future and predict the result. So there might be the case when you have provided some biased data. So based on the biased data, you will be getting the result. So which may have some unfair and harmful result. Then the next one we have intellectual property rights. So it may lead to privacy or copyright issues. So AI might accidentally use a private or copywritten information, which can lead to legal problem. Then lack of transparency. So the way AI works is often unclear. That most of the time we do not know how this generative AI is working. So making some people hesitant to trust it. So this is a lack of transparency. Then we have some security issues. So cyber security dangers. So cyber criminals can make advantage of AI weakness. So constant security updates are essential. Then false information. So potential problem with accuracy and appropriateness. That is false information. So sometimes generative AI makes up incorrect or misleading information. So important to double check what it produces. So what we can conclude from here? So generative AI is a powerful tool, but it comes with those challenges. By understanding its benefit, limitation, and risk, we can use it responsibly and make the most of what it offers. Cool. And then finally, here we have the last session: how ServiceNow uses generative AI capabilities. So this is an homework task for you. Just go and go through this lesson, and here a lot of things is provided to you. And from these lessons we have quizzes, the 10 quizzes in the contest from these lessons. And once you cover this lesson, then make sure to go through this assessment, this quiz assessment, to test your knowledge. So yes, this was all from my end regarding this session. Here I am good to answer your questions. So you can write your questions in the chat box. Feel free to ask whatever doubts you have. So basically, everyone has to attempt the contest individually, and the average score will be taken. So everyone must have to go through the modules. Okay, is there any other question? So how can we form a team after registration? So basically, after the registration, there will be a section where you can add the new members. So every team must have a three members, because if you try to participate individually, then you will be disqualified. No, you just have to go through the modules and that's enough. And we are having two DSE questions also. So every team has three members, and every member has to individually participate in a contest, and the average of all three members will be taken. And for every member, there might be the case when you got some different set of question and your other team member got some different set of question. But there is a flexibility. You can give the contest anytime. It is not restricted to give. It is not restricted that all the team members should give the contest at the same time. But we are having a contest on 25th January. So you must have to give the contest on the same day, but not at the same time. So here I'm not getting a new question. So I guess we are ready. We are ready to wrap the session. Sir, what will be the level of TSA questions? Will they be for beginner? Yes, you can expect the question from easy to medium level. Any other question? Yes, one team member, one leader member can add two other members. No, the quizzes will be from all the modules, from all the four modules. And basically, here we have four modules and one assessment for micro certifications. So the detailed information about the hackathon has already mentioned. So let me open the hackathon. So basically, all the rules are clearly mentioned. The eligibility criteria who can apply here from graduating women graduating in 25, 26, 27, or 28, right? And those who are graduating in 25 must have to form a team together. That is, a 25 graduate cannot make a team with a 25, 26, 27, or 28. 25 graduate must have to form a team together. And one student must be designated as a team leader, and a team must consist of three students from the same college. The quizzes will be from all the four modules which I have shared. So if you are getting the status that your registration is not completed, then you can try to register with some email ID, with some other email ID that would also work if you are getting problem. But otherwise, I don't think there has to be any issue. Okay, any other thing we need to keep in mind while giving the test? No, not at all. You have 10 quizzes, so just go through the modules and two DSA questions. So if you have some miss some session, then it will not lead to the elimination from the hackathon. These sessions are just for you. These are some training session, but it is not mandatory. So as now I'm not getting any new questions, so we are good to end the stream. And make sure to hit the like button, and we'll see you in a contest. And yes, this is all from my end. Only one person should complete the module or what? So basically everyone has to give the contest individually. So to give the contest, there will be a 10 quizzes, and the 10 quizzes will be based on ServiceNow. So you must have to go through the module. So not getting any new questions so far. So thank you everyone for joining this session, and have a good day.